Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale fan games on Android. Many fans create incredible new stories and battles, expanding the beloved universe. While these games are often designed for personal computers, with a few simple steps, you can enjoy them on your mobile device. We will cover the main approaches, including using emulators and finding dedicated Android ports, ensuring you can dive into these fantastic creations wherever you are. It's easier than you might think to get started. There are primarily two main ways to enjoy Undertale fan games on your Android device. First, you can utilize an emulator designed to run Game Maker Studio executables, as many fan games are built with this engine. Second, some dedicated community members create direct Android ports of popular fan games, offering a more seamless experience. These ports are often found on community forums or specific fan game websites. Both methods require careful selection of the correct files and applications to ensure smooth gameplay. To begin your adventure, you'll need to find both the fan games and the necessary tools. Excellent places to start your search are popular indie game platforms like Game Jolt and itch.io, which host thousands of fan-made projects. Additionally, searching within Undertale fan communities can yield great results. When looking for an emulator, ensure it supports Game Maker Studio games. Always prioritize downloading from well-known and reputable sources to protect your device and data from any unwanted software. Once you have your chosen fan game and the appropriate tool, installation is usually straightforward. If you found an Android port, simply download the APK file and install it directly onto your device. For emulator-based games, you'll typically download the game's executable file and then open it from within your Game Maker Studio emulator application. Remember to always consult any specific instructions provided by the game's developer. If you encounter performance issues, try reducing graphical settings within the emulator or ensuring your device has at least 4 GB of RAM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.